Ye hwe nwumasua so de adwenbia ba sade ne mekro wo nwumasua mu no akyere na hye mu ntia wo se ye nwumasua enkrata no mu no e wo se mpanifo nso esesemu kakra ne ye Ghana de na amanone nso famu de kakra ne de no nso aka ho ne koba so wo wie sukuu no wo tu akwan ye ne niema bi a wanya ha atumi aboa Adom Kasee etwaso
So for share nwumasua nsem so Dr. Yawase Yadichum ekasa ewo dwumadi ekọ so ewo University of Ghana suapon no mu anu ato ne din se New Year school no ase no na wo tre se so my Ghana betumi afa African Continental Free Trade Area no ediso dia na ho hia se adesuafo ma wie school ewo manyimu no ebetumi nya nimde ede afa se nenyuma ahodo esife koso ewo manyimu ene wiasa fa na nyina mu na etumi ayemfa so de ama wo emfa ho na bia obeko.
You have to look at the quality of the education system. You also have to begin to look at the relevance of the education system towards the needs of your nation. So the relevance is what has brought us to STEM. The relevance is what has brought us to the promotion of creative arts education. You have to come to education itself. What kind of education system do we create to even attract other Africans to come to school in Ghana? How do we create Ghana as the learning hub for Africa? As the magnet that attracts critical minds to come here. That kind of education system requires that we begin to look at the internationalization of our curriculum and localization at the same time.
Nuachi Professor Angela Owusu ansa ya wono de nejuma ewo Ashesi University enso kire mu de ntia adesiafo no ma wo mo ewi Ashesi University no mpedodo na no eya no mo enya adwuma ntentem eye ene se de wo mo nya adwuma so ya wo mo de mo ho hyem ebo mo ho moden.
Entire first year the students discuss how they can become less corrupt, let's put it that way. As a student, the main thing that tests your ability to be less corrupt is your exams. So the entire first year, there's a strict, detailed conversation about the perils of doing things that you don't want anybody to see you do. Our honor code says, I will not cheat and I will not allow you to cheat because it might come full circle. And we have a process of managing that.